In this video, I'll show you how to find key information about your HP LaserJet M209dw printer, details you'll need if you ever contact HP support. You'll learn where to locate the product name, product number, and serial number, both on the printer itself and in printed reports. I'll also walk you through how to print the printer information report, configuration report, network summary, and wireless network test report. Finally, I'll show you how to access the embedded web server using your printer's IP address, username, and PIN. Let's get started. To print a printer information report on your HP LaserJet M209dw, simply press the information button once, then wait a few moments. The printer will automatically generate a one-page report that summarizes key details about the device and its current status. Please note that I've erased my personal network information from the report for privacy. To print a configuration report and network summary, press and hold the information button for about 3 seconds until all the buttons on the printer light up. Then, press the resume button. After roughly 10 seconds, the printer will print 2 pages, one containing the configuration report and the other showing the network summary. The configuration report shows the printer usage log, pages printed, images scanned, event logs, copy/energy settings, network status, and more. Again, I've removed my personal network information from the reports. To print a wireless network test report, press and hold the information button for about 3 seconds until all the buttons on the printer light up. Then, press the information button and the resume button at the same time. After approximately 20 seconds, the printer will print a single page. This report provides diagnostic results about your wireless network, including connection status, signal strength, detected networks, and more. As before, I've removed my personal network information for privacy. Moving back to the information report, there are some key pieces of information you will want to collect if you ever want to contact HP for support. First, the product name, which is also located on the printer itself. Second, the serial number, which is also located on the label inside the printer. Finally, the product number, which is not located on any of the reports or on the printer itself. You will have to look on your receipt for the printer. It will be located under the heading Material Number. Next, you will want to record the printer PIN number and IP address. You will need these 2 pieces of information along with the printer's username to access the embedded web server. To find this, check the label inside the printer. This label will also have the printer PIN and serial number. Open a web browser and enter the printer's IP address in the address bar. This will take you to the HP embedded web server. Select Sign In. On this page, you will see where to find the PIN. Select OK. Enter the username and PIN, then select Sign In. You are now logged into the embedded web server. From here, you can access the device configuration and view the network summary, just like we printed earlier. Other common tasks include device configuration. Adjust printer settings such as paper handling, print quality, and energy-saving options. Network settings. Configure IP addresses, DNS settings, and wireless connectivity to ensure the printer is properly integrated into your network. Security management. Set up user authentication, PIN codes, and access controls to protect sensitive documents and prevent unauthorized use. Supply monitoring. Check toner or ink levels, and set alerts for when supplies are running low. Firmware updates. Download and install the latest firmware to keep your printer secure and up to date. Job and usage reports. View print job history, usage statistics, and generate reports for cost tracking or auditing.